Got the club going hard on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cutting shake Tuesday. Club going hard on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cutting shake Tuesday. Club going hard on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cutting shake Tuesday. Club going hard on a Tuesday.
I don't know why I'm fucking with you.
Was it the liquor that makes me act blind? Times that I with her. Anonymous pictures of other niggas trying to kiss her. Will I love her or shall I diss her? I'm sick of the scandalous shit I deal with, trying to paint a perfect picture. My memories of jealousy no longer get free. There's so much bullshit your girlfriends be telling me. I'm on tour, but now my bedroom's an open door. So it got me thinking, what am I trying for? When I was young, I was so very dumb, eager to please. A little trick on a mission, trying to get them a piece. Me and my niggas is thug niggas, forming no drug dealers. We don't love bitches and believe they don't love niggas. I gotta blame my attraction, shit, but you became a distraction, a threat to my paper stacking. I thought you changed, but now I know. Can't turn a hole into a house like baby. There you go. Father, help us all. Since you supplied your phone number, I can't help but call. Time for action, conversating, you relaxing, kicking back. Got you curious for thug back.